Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to create the door events and the teleporters which can really send you from one location to another locations and even from one location to another map, another level at a specific positions. So it is not a general starting point, but in a specific location. It's a teleporter event, it's a door event. So now I'm going to show you all these maps that I had created. Now I had created three maps. One is the living room here. You can see the living room I created. Here we have a one is go to toilet. So here I want to set a teleporter that send me to another map. That is a toilet map. Where is the toilet map? It's somewhere here. The toilet map. Alright, then here I will set another teleporter which will teleport me to the office. Go to office. Alright, once it teleport me to the office, once I come back from the office, it will teleport me back to the same position here. Alright, so it's same as the toilets. When I teleport to the toilets, once I come back from the toilet map, then it will exactly teleport me at this position. It is not a general position at the center there. And I also will demo you how to teleport the avatar from point A direct to point B, and then if I touch the point B teleporter again, it will direct teleport me to point A again. So this is a process we need to step by step. I need to demo you step by step how to create all this. So start from now. The map is ready. Let's check the office. Okay, this is the office map. Here is the office and another map there, the toilet map. Everything is just simple for demo. Here is the toilet. So office and toilet, they are in different level, different map. The first thing what we need to do is create a blueprint class for the actor. So let's check where is the map first. It's under the content folder. I put all the maps at here. Map. So three of the maps are here. They are ready. I will start from the living room, of course. Right, like this. First, I back to the content folder. I will just create a blueprint, right click, blueprint class. I will use the actor. The name it teleporter. Alright, that's well enough. Next, double click into here, the teleporter. And here, as demo, I will just use some simple model. And for this time, I will just drag in a cube, drag in into here. Alright, then I will just create a very simple door here. Use this cube is well enough, like this. Alright, let it look like a door. Alright, like this. Next, I will add a component here. Add a collision box. Box collisions. Yep. This one is the box collision. So the player will touch this box. I will just shape it exactly like the door size. Alright, so just remember, just like this. This is a door with a trigger event here. That's well enough. And the map I already created three maps. The next one, we are going to create a variable here. we can just name it as door ID. And the variable type, I will choose name and tick instant editable. Then compile. The next thing, you can temporarily close this, and what you are going to do, you are going to create an enum here. Right click here, a blueprint, choose the enum numerations. Okay, for this enum, I will just put it as a level list, a map list, enum, something like this. Next, double click into that. Then open the map folder. We are going to add in all the map name, F2, then right click copy, then click plus new here, new. The display name, Control V to paste, it's a living room. And one more is office, a new one. You must put the name exactly same as the map name, office, and then add new, toilet. Alright, once you finish this, then save and close it. Next, back to the contents, back to your teleporter, double click it. Now we are going to add another variable. Add a variable here, what we call destination. And what should we do? The destination, the variable type, we should put as the enum. What is the name? Map list enum. Alright, instant editable, yes. That's well enough. Click compile. Alright, next. We are going to set all the teleporters in different map. Alright, that's cool. Close. This one I save first. I can temporarily close that. What should I do? Drag the teleporter out. Okay, now I want to put a teleporter here. At the point B, for example. Here, I put 1 as a point. Here, the point B, I put it here. Alright, if I click play, you can just see a door is here. I better drag to the center. Here, better, to a better position. There. Alright, now you can see point B. The point B door is here. Then, point A, I also need 1. Drag a teleporter into point A. Alright. Next one. What else? Here, go to toilet. Press F to find. Then drag the teleporter to here as well. Alright, if I try to play, now you can see, go to toilet, we have a door here. And here is point A, point B. And the final one is go to office. We're going to drag one here, go to office. This is the teleporter. Alright, as demo, I will just use a very simple door. So next, you go and click the teleporter one by one. For example, go to toilet. Then you can see your door ID, you should put here you should put as toilet. The destination should be toilet. That's all. Alright, the next one. The teleporter to here, point A. So the point A, the door ID I put as point A. Sorry. This one I will settle later. We settle the teleporter from one level to another level first. Within the level, we settle it later. Alright. This one, go to office. Go to office. The door ID I will put office. Again. This one. Then the destination should be office as well. Alright. Let's save. Next, open another map. Under the content, under the map, I go to the office map. Here, I want to put a door here. So back to the contents, drag out the teleporter, press E so that I can rotate it. For this door, the door ID should be office as well, but the destinations should be living room. Sorry, yes, should be living room, the destination. This door ID is the office, right? So later, if we come back to the living room through this door, it should be exactly in front of the office sign there. Alright, this one we can save. Next, go to another map, that is the toilet map. Alright, I will put the toilet door here. Go back to the contents. Put the teleporter here. Alright, here. Then, the next, what should you do is, once you already put in all the teleporter, you need to click the basic and the player starts right in front of the door, right in front of the teleporter, like this. And then the direction should be like this, opposite to the door event, so that when you come out from the door, you will face that direction. Alright. And then one thing you must change is the tag, the player smart tag. Here is toilet, so you put the tag here, toilet. Alright. Next, save. Same as you need to go to another map as well, the office map. In front of the door, you can just ignore this. The player start, you can create a new player start here. Then back to the wall. Once you just spawn it here, back to the wall, you can move it. Then direct look at that direction. And then the player start tag, we rename it as, where is this? This is office, so I put office. Alright. Next, save and back to the living room, we do exactly the same. This is the living room. So now we have two doors to settle first. Within the point A and point B, we settle later. We don't discuss about this. We do the teleporter between the map first. So go to the office. Once you come back to the office, you should spawn yourself here as a player start, and then you should face to that direction. Sorry, it's duplicated already. Okay. Okay, again. Press delete and then start all over again. Okay, like this. Then the player smart tag, we also put the office because this one is go to the office and come back from the office. So all the tag you must put office. And we also do the same thing as from the toilet here. So what should you do? You drag out the player start here. Then make sure you back to the office. Sorry, back to the toilet door because you are from the toilet. That is just a logic. See? Wow. Alright. Now no need to play first. Sorry. Save. Next, you are going to create a game instance. So where to create? It's just back to the content here. Right click. A blueprint class. All classes here. You select game instance. This one. Select. So you will name it as my game instance. So the game instance, you need to double click it and create a variable here. Name it door ID. And the door ID should belong to the name. The variable type is the name and click compile. That's all. Next, close this game instance. Click the edit and go to project setting. It is under maps and modes here. The game instance class you choose as my game instance. That is a name that you just given as a new game instance where you create a door ID there. Then you can close here. It will automatically save. Alright, save. Save all. Save. Next, what should you do? You need to open the teleporter. The teleporter's blueprint here. And then this is under the event graph. You need to right click here. Begin overlap. Sorry. Before you click this, you need to click the box. This is the box collision. Click and select the box first. Click. Now it's orange color. It is selected. Right click. Then assign on actor. Begin overlap. Oh, sorry, not this. Begin overlap. Assign on actor. Begin overlap. That should be the box. Here. Add on the components begin overlap. Okay, this is the correct one. You need to select first and right click, no need to search. Right, the next one, what you need to do is here, you drag down, drag out, cast to my game instance, like this. And then the object is to get the game instance. Get game instance. You can direct get game instance here. Then return as the object. Return the value for the object. And then here you should set it as set the door ID. And then here you direct link to the door ID here. Drag from here, go to the door ID. So the game instance actually is for save. It will save as the game instance and go to another map. All the record will be still there. And after that, you need to open level. Open level by name means you are going to teleport this player to another level, to another map. So this one you need to according to your destinations. Get destination, you drag out from here. Then the destination is an enum. So you need to convert enum to string. And then from string to name, convert 2 times to get the level name. Alright, next, what should you do? Now I compile. What's wrong here? Here you need to connect and compile. Now we try to play, try to test. Now this one, okay. From here, something that I forget to set. Alright, go to toilet. The destination is toilet, yes. So we try this. Go to toilet. The destination should go to the toilet. Alright, from this door, next. Go in. Go in. This is not right in front of the toilet. So something must be wrong. Then go to office. It is not exactly in front of the door here. So what should I do? You need one more step. Okay, now you need to go to the game mode first. The game mode is under third person blueprint, the third person game mode, this one. Click here, open full blueprint editor. That is a third person game mode. And here you should be able to see a function here. Click override. And here, what should you select? Should be choose player start. Alright, so the next one, this one you let the map to choose which player start that you are going to spawn your character. Drag it out. Cast to my game instance. And then the object is, you right click here, get game instance. Return. If I compile, okay, wait. Get game instance. Connect. Alright, compile. For this time is correct. So means when you want to choose a player start, it will refer to your game instance, see whether you are from the toilets or from the living room or from the office. It will refer to that. Next, what should you do? So here, as my game instance, you should refer to the door ID. Get door ID. Because the door ID is the word, is the name that you put as whether it is office or toilets or living room. And here, get all actor of the class. This one you can put it far away. I temporarily disconnect it first. Here, get all actors of class. And here should select as the player start. Because you want it to start in the locations that you already set the name. Alright. So the next one is here. The out actors for each loop. It is set as an array. Here should join together. And what else? Here is the array elements, drag it out, get player start tag. And then what should it equal to? This door ID you can connect to here. The player start tag's name should be equal to the door ID. That is what we want to set. Okay, here you drag it out. You want to make sure it is equal. So you search in this way the equal. The name should be equal. You connect it. Make sure they are equal. If they are equal, then how? You set the branch here. Branch. If the conditions is equal, both are equal. If that is equal, then you return node. So the loop body should connect to the branch like this. So everything. So next one, that is the array elements. You should connect the array elements direct to the return value. Something like this. Now you can see very clear. If like this, you don't know where it connected to. This is better. The door ID, the target is the door ID. And next. You need to back to here. Out actor. You drag it out. Then get a copy. Get a copy is here. You want it to be exactly the same. So you get a copy. And the return node here, I can copy the return node. Copy, Control C to copy. And right click here. Or you can Control V to paste here. Get return node. And then, if it's completed, drag the completed to the return node as well. Now, next, click compile. And here you save. Teleporter also save. Now you can close it. Next one, back to your map folder. We are going to set in every of the map blueprint. The living room, Now, the living room is already open. So click Blueprints, open level blueprint. And then it's under the event graph, right click, event start, event begin to play. And what do you want? You are going to get game mode. Something like this. And the next, drag out from here, 5-player start. Okay. After that, you need to return the value as get actor transform. Transform to the correct position, get player transform, get actor transform, and should be set actor transform. Set actor transform. And who is the target? Okay, again. Here, 5-player starts here. Get actor transform. This is the first step. And then, under here, right click, set actor transform. So, what is the target? The target, you should put it as get player character. You are the player. And next, connect the event begin play to the set actor transform, like this. Alright, and then get actor transform, you must return value as a new transform. And then finally you finish this blueprint. You are going to copy, Ctrl C to copy, and then you compile it. Ctrl C to copy, and then you are going to paste in every map level blueprint. So this is the living room done. Save, close. The next one is the office. You also open the level blueprint, and then paste here. Control V to paste. Where is it? Just now it's not copied. Here is a living room open level blueprint. Alright, select everything here. Ctrl C to copy. Open the office. Also open the office level blueprint. Here, Ctrl V to paste. Alright, success, then compile. Close. And toilet as well. Open the toilet map. Open the blueprint here. Open level blueprint. Here also Ctrl V to paste. So now everything you have this already, compile. Next we are going to test it, play. So here is the toilet. The player start is here. If I go in, alright, there's something wrong here. We check it. Check the blueprint. What is the mistake? Okay, here, the event tick. No. Start from the living room. Let's have a try. Okay, if I disconnect this, compile and play again, the actor have no problem. So now I go back to the blueprints, open level blueprints and check what's wrong here. I right click, set actor, transform. Should unclick here. This is get. Play. Okay, I'm going to delete this and try. Play. Alright, so now it's okay already. The problem is the original default locations of the player start. We need to delete it. So now the map have no problem. I try to click play again. At the beginning it spawned at different place. Alright, now. So if I try to drag the player start here and play, then that is okay. So we must remove the original default player start. So now I go to the toilet. It spawned me to the toilet there. Then go in. It'll back to here. Exactly this door. Here is the toilet and go back. Now we test the office. Go into the office door. Now here is office. Then back to this door. It exactly spawned me here. Go to the office in front. Go to the office. Now for this time it is success. The next one, what we are going to do is the point A and point B. Alright. From point B to point A, we also need to set player start here. And then under the point B, we move this first, rotate it to face back to the teleporter. And then The teleporter itself, the door event, the destination should be same as here, living room. And then the door ID should be exactly point A. If the point B teleporter, you need to transfer to point A. Point A. So this one, the player start tag here, you should put as point B. And then, now we go to the point A here. The teleporter, the door ID, you should put the opposites. The door ID is point B. The destination, same as here, a living room. And here I put a player start here. Face to opposite. Alright, so this tag must put as the point A. Alright, so we have how many? Another one. This one. The tag is point B. So now we are going to try. The door event is opposite. Now we try to play. Now I go to point A, teleporter, it should teleport me to the point B. See? Now I'm at point B. So I approach the point B, teleport me to point A. So now everything well done and success. This is the full tutorial on how to create any teleporter and any door events that really lead you to the real technical issues or everything solved about the teleporter's issues. Now you can use the teleporter to go anywhere in your game, and the position is really accurate. You can set it for your RPG game or any other games that involve the door events go into a building. Then actually the interior of the building you set in another map. Alright, that's all for today about how to create the teleporter for your games in Unreal Engine 4. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all to activate the notification so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy and happy animation.